Hi everyone! So today I'm super excited to share the latest release from Diva Design. I have created my projects for this month and I will share them with you. I will have tutorials for my project throughout the month, so you will get like a in-depth sort of explanation of what I did to create them. But for today's video, I just wanted to share an overview of all of the goodies. So let's get into it. I will just sort of clear my desk and we can get into it. So first off, we have this beautiful gingerbread jelly tote bag. So Scrap Diva has been coming out with a ton of these in the past. I have created many of them and I really enjoy them. So they are all slightly different, but I think the size is pretty much the same. And here is my that I created for this month, and it's just adorable. You can see this is the back of it. I doubled the pattern paper up, so I think that is really cute, and I had a different one for the sides. So that is really nice. So that's the first one, and on top of this I have a sentiment. So this is the gingerbread script words, and this comes with a lot of sentiments. I actually, to the side here, I have some other ones. So this is saying just gingerbread. So this is baking cookies. Then we have gingerbread. I have also this sugar and spice. I haven't created with these yet, but I have cut them out and ready to go if I want to use them in upcoming projects this month. So I just wanted to share those. And I also have this. So this is the Candy Cane Rosette Duo, and it comes in two different sizes, and I did a larger one. And you can see I doubled up, so I had one in the back with the white and one with the pattern paper in the front. It was a little bit tricky to put together, I will not lie, but it came together nicely when I had all of these folded, so that was took me the most time. And then I just did some embellishing with some ephemera from the same pattern paper collection that I used for the box itself. So that was that. And then I made this card. I had a ton of fun with this one as well. So the main part comes from this Santa mini album. So he's really cute. It is more layers to this one in the back. It also comes with these sort of leaves, and I just did a bow, and this bow comes from this set, and this one has another layer in the back. This is the gingerbread, I think it's an album but also a shaker. So this is a really fun one, but I didn't play more with this month than I did with the bow. But it's really cute, this bow, and it comes actually in two sizes, so that is really nice. And for the sentiment, I wish I had used this a little bit more, because this is the fa la la la, and you can see you have the fa la la separate or the fa la 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 together connected. So I used the separate one just to create this one. So that is how my card turned out. I enjoyed making that one as well. I had another card project. This is super sweet. So you can see we have a gingerbread. And this is another gingerbread. Hang on, I will just get this out. So this is the gingerbread nested set, and it's a ton of them in the back, and you have different sizes for the eyes and mouth as well. And then I created a little bow. And this bow comes from this set. It's called Peppermint Lollipop and Bow. And there is also this part that comes from this set. So that is really sweet. And then we have the rest of this sort of candy cane. And this is the Peppermint Heart Candy Cane Shaker. A ton of different sizes, and I created a little small shaker. I hope the camera is picking it up. And I have this twist piece in the back. Super sweet. And for the sentiment, I have this one, Gingerbread Words, and I wanted to point out that I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe that this one is the same words but in a different font than this one. So gingerbread words and gingerbread script words. So I think there's the same, but I'm a little bit unsure, but I think. And for the background, I actually used this die. that is called Santa Book Memory Decks, and this is so adorable. I wish I had created more with this one because I cut a ton of them out, and you can see I just cut the bottom piece here off. But you can really have a ton of fun with these, so I will definitely use these in upcoming videos because they are cute. I also cut out that I haven't used as well. Sorry about, I have a mess to the side here with all of the things that I created. So I have a couple of presents as well. I also have another gingerbread, so cute. So I have been playing around with these sets quite a lot. And for this, you can see the background here. I have this stitched panel, and this one comes from this set. So I will talk more about this, but this part is here, so that fits beautiful on top of an A2 size card. So that's really sweet. I love this project. I think it turned out so cute. So that was my cards for this month, and I also created this little book, a little mini album, if you like. So the base itself for this mini album is this chimney fireplace mini album, and there is another piece to the back of this that creates this beautiful fireplace, and it also comes with this sort of lights and the fire, and it also comes with the sentiment and the base itself. I just created a little dangle here to the side, and that one actually is the leftover pieces from the elf shoe shaker. So I just wanted to the side here, just wanted to share that when you create, this is the mini one, it actually comes in 2 sizes. So I created a shaker, and then this is the leftover from the foam that I used. So I just raised this up, and I could get another little shoe that I thought was cute. Those two didn't make it for the project for today, but this one did. And I was imagining that I was creating sort of a holiday album, and that these were able to be switched out for 2x2 pictures. So that was the mindset behind all of these, and I might go back and switch these out actually. But you can see how cute this is. And in the background here, I used the peppermint candy. These also comes with 2 pieces, so you have more layers in the back. But I also wanted to share that I created a bunch of these that I wanted to have in a background for a card, but I haven't gotten there yet. Maybe I will, maybe I don't this month. We'll see how much time I have. But you can see this would be so cute, and you can see it's quite a good size. You could definitely fit a larger, maybe a 3x2 card here and get some writing and embellishing done. So I think that is really nice. Here is that large piece of that foot that I used, the elf shoe shaker. So that is nice that I had here. And then another one that you definitely could embellish more, and just some writing to the back. And you can see you could fit a lot into these rings, binding rings. So you definitely could fill this up and stack this up with some goodies from your month. So that is it. I think I shared every finished project that I have in with the new collection for this month. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to check out the rest of the designers' inspiration from this month. And I will be back, as I said, throughout this month sharing tutorials of all of the different projects that I shared in this video, and I hope you will be liking that. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I will soon be back with some more content with this release. Bye!